Alright folks, I'm about to show you how you would change out your windshield wipers on a Dodge Challenger. It's probably the same for about the 2014 up to the 2019. All you got to do is when you pick your windshield wiper up, kind of lift up the end like that. There's a little button, actually a little lever. You want to push it in, and then when you do that, press down on the windshield wipers like that, and your windshield wipers will come out. And if you can see right here, this little thing right here, that's what I was pressing in on, which is right there. So then when you get your new windshield wipers, you just kind of want to come, kind of have it tilted, take this bar, the hook part, up underneath her like that, put underneath her and just pull up like that. You should hear a snap, and pretty much you'll have your windshield wiper back on. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2014 to a 2019 Dodge Challenger. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.